Wearing Indian traditionals. Well, the thing I'm going to explain you today is nothing but poetic. And if you know me, you know that I am a compulsive poetic girl. Psychology and poems are the perfect blend of life, guys. Hear me out. Have you ever wondered why children always like vibrant, bright colors like pink, purple, yellow, red, orange, etc., and not colors like wine, burgundy, aubergine, black, and white? Why, after becoming adults, we people tend to face a change in our mindset and our liking starts developing towards colors like these? Why does that happen? तो मैंने ये चीज़ realize की, I was so shocked. हमने अभी 10th standard तक पढ़ा था कि 7 basic colors of life. The vibgyor that we talk about, the colors of rainbow, are the very basic colors which form through one single color, and that's white. जब बच्चे होते हैं हमारा परसेप्शन छोटा होता है, हमारा दुनिया को देखने का नजरिया बहुत छोटा होता है, इसलिए हमें वो कलर्स पसंद आते हैं which are formed out of other colors. So our narrow-mindedness यानी कि हमारा देखने का नजरिया correlates with the fact that we choose a color that is a product of another color. But when we grow in age, when we grow in our perception, when we grow in experiences, when we see the actual world, unconsciously or subconsciously, our mind starts developing liking towards colors that are the source of these colors. How beautiful is that? And sometimes we start developing liking towards colors like white and black. My teacher in class 10 taught me the concept of prism, that the spectrum of colors originates from a single color, and that's white. So if you pass that white light through a prism, you will see a spectrum of all those vibgyor 7 colors. And when you repass the 7 colors, if you invert it, you will see that it forms into white light. Hence, our mature perception correlates with the fact that when we grow in experiences, we tend to choose things which are wider in nature, which are the source, which are the origin of other things. This is how the law of nature, the law of perception works. Sometimes things happen unconsciously, sometimes things happen subconsciously, we don't even realize it. But they do happen. And it's a part of nature, and nature is poetic, and so am I. Hence, simplify it. If you know me, you know that I love poems. I'm a big time poetry girl. And if you are a poetry lover as much as I am, do comment down below.